Well, hello, it's Margaret, and I'm back for a beauty tip in less than 10 minutes. In fact, less than 5 minutes today, because in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you what I am doing next week. And you are going to be so excited. I hope that you plan to join me for my summer beauty school. So, next week, August 21st through the 24th, what I'm going to be doing is a mini makeup masterclass. And each day, Monday through Thursday, I will be posting a video that has tutorials and tips and tricks on all the things related to makeup and making your skin look absolutely flawless and beautiful. So I'm going to share all of those tips with you in a 4-part series. The videos will be short and sweet, as I always like to do, so probably 15 minutes or less. And as a thank you for joining, I actually have a guide that I will send you that will be kind of a mini makeup masterclass guide that will show you all the different tools and supplies and things that you would need in order to recreate the look or help you with like your flawless face and all the tools and all the products that you would need to create that. So I am going to be giving that to you as a free gift. So if you just text guide to 760-260-9490, or if you want to just comment the word guide below, then I will be sure to get that to you. So you will have that for the mini makeup masterclass. So I hope that you'll join me. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to see who joins live. And for those of you who want to share this, maybe you're a beauty consultant yourself and you want to share this with your customers, feel free to do so. I love sharing my tips, and so like, comment, and share away. I'd love to have you all join in. So make sure that you tune in, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed to that. And when you subscribe and click that notification bell, that will make sure that you get notified when the videos post. And if you happen to be on Facebook, there'll be a little reminder button on there as well. So that way you just get that little reminder saying, hey, the video has posted, and you can definitely participate. So can't wait. Remember to text guide to that phone number on the screen, and I will see you next Monday through Thursday with 4 different mini makeup masterclass. I'm super excited. So I will see you then.